I'm just on the way to the world's biggest Primark, so let's go and check this place out. Now, if you have shopped at Primark before, you know what to expect when it comes to clothes with their reasonable prices. But that's not all. Inside the new Primark, it contains a Disney cafe, a restaurant, more cafes, barbershop, beauty studio, and packed with tech, stationery and toys. So guys, enjoy this little busy tour and I'll catch you soon.
I cheated. I was technically the first person inside the world's biggest Primark. I cheated, alright? It's a very, very British way of entering a store. I like it.
Great. Good morning, Birmingham! You know, it's absolutely amazing being here. We've been doing stuff like this for over 20 years. You know, we specialise in people entertainment. We're here at the Primark. Make some noise for Primark!
Definitely need a map in this place. On the lower ground floor too, they have menswear and a barbershop. Lower ground floor 1, the men's cafe and customer seating. Ground floor, a beauty studio and women's wear. First floor, cafe, custom t-shirt lab and more clothing. Second floor, a Disney cafe, a Disney shop with more clothing. And I believe toilets are situated on all floors. So that's 5 floors to explore. They do have Wi-Fi, but unfortunately it's having trouble connecting today. Guys, this place is huge. It's good that they have a cafe and a customer seating area where you can chill out. I will be going again to check out more of the Disney cafe, as today is really busy. So if you're travelling in Birmingham, check out the world's biggest Primark. Take care guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.